sweet nothings in your ear and appeal to all your fears. If you were mine, I'd bring you so much further down and twist your mind until the end of time. You will never realize what darkness lies inside my mind. If you were down, I will come to chain you to the ground and penetrate your mind. If you are lost, I'll be there to break your trust and ravage all your lust for life. My
Estás pronto?
love,
Passei um bocadinho. Portanto, eu te bati de Rúben, passaste da segunda ponte. Aí está. Eu sei, aí está o que é. Está batizado. Está batido no frente. Eu venho batizado no kayak. Entrar no que havia ver a luz.